Hi, so in this video I'll be talking about how you can edit faster in Premiere Pro. So the secret to editing faster is nothing but the use of shortcuts. So if you are editing like this, if you are taking the tools and selecting it one by one, you are losing a lot of time. So what you have to do is you have to learn the shortcuts. Each and every tool here has a shortcut. You can see selection tool V, blade tool C, other tool, ripple edit tool B. So to go to the shortcuts, you can go to here, edit keyboard shortcuts. So I have this layout set by myself and I will link it in the description. You can download this. So if you want to change any shortcuts by yourself, it's very easy. You can just select the required tool which you want. Just click here. Like if, for example, you can click on the ripple edit tool. You can just click on this, and if you want to turn it into G, you can click on G and delete this B. So now this is selected as G. So what I have done is that I have mapped every shortcuts to the left side of the keyboard. So it's easy to move your fingers in between this. So if you want to zoom in, zoom out, 3, 4, mark in and out, E and R. JFK, I have set it to SDF. So what you have to do is you have to select it according to your preference. Start using shortcuts so you can edit faster.